Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log into MyFitnessPal application. So first of all, launch MyFitnessPal app. Once you come to the app's interface, you'll see the option of Login. Tap on it. Now all you would have to do is start by entering your email address. In my case, it has automatically been entered. Now simply enter in your password. Now, in case if you have forgotten your password, tap on the option of Forgot Password, or if you have connected MyFitnessPal to your Google account or your Facebook account, you can tap on these options below. Or else, simply tap on the option of Login after entering your credentials. So with that, you will successfully be able to log in to your MyFitnessPal account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.